Tobacco companies in Korea may have to change their packaging so that their health warning messages are stronger and the pictures more graphic. The idea won a go-ahead from the Health Committee at the National Assembly today and will go before a full session set for next month. Our Sohn Jung-in has more on the anti-smoking images.
Anti-smoking messages cover just 30% of cigarette packs sold in Korea and are only written warnings which are easy to ignore. In line with the government's tougher policy on smoking, the National Assembly's Health and Welfare Committee voted for passage of a revised law that forces cigarette companies to use pictures showing the harmful effects of the habit and written warnings that together should cover more than 50% of the packaging. The law also seeks to penalize tobacco firms found to be breaking the rules. They would face monetary fines of up to $9,000, be banned from doing business, or put company officials behind bars for up to a year. The revised law will become final if it gains the approval of the full parliament in a session scheduled for March 3rd. The revision is in accordance with the recommended standard for cigarette graphic warnings issued by the World Health Organization. As of last July, 179 countries had adopted the measure, with Korea being one of them, but the rules have yet to be put in place. If the law is passed in Korea, the visual warning system will become mandatory after a grace period of 18 months. Officials in favor of the move say such warnings are one of the most effective anti-smoking measures across the world. Brazil, for instance, saw its smoking rate plunge by 10 percentage points to 22% 1 year after the law was implemented. According to data by the OECD in 2014, the smoking rate for Korean men was 38%, the second highest in the world after Greece. Earlier this year, the Korean government raised cigarette prices by about $2 a pack in a bid to reduce the smoking rate. Sohn Jung-in, Arirang News.